Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drink Moringa juice. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, offers incredible health benefits. Its juice is a powerhouse of nutrients, including 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It's also rich in iron, protein, and amino acids, supporting energy levels and overall well-being. Let's explore how to incorporate this amazing superfood into your daily routine. Preparing Moringa juice is simple, whether you use powder or fresh leaves. For powder, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons with about 8 ounces of water or your favorite smoothie. If using fresh leaves, blend a handful with 1 cup of water until smooth. You can strain it for a clearer juice or enjoy it with the pulp for extra fiber. Remember to wash fresh leaves thoroughly before blending. When starting with Moringa juice, it's wise to begin slowly. Try 1/2 teaspoon of powder or a small amount of fresh juice daily for the first week. Gradually increase to 1 to 2 teaspoons of powder or 1 to 2 cups of fresh juice per day. Many find drinking it in the morning or early afternoon provides a natural energy boost without affecting sleep. To make your Moringa juice even more enjoyable, try mixing it with other fruit juices, like apple or orange, to balance its earthy flavor. A dash of honey or a natural sweetener can also enhance the taste. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Enjoy the journey to better health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.